In the last video, we talked about the excellent performance of G565 Defoamer in the field of waterborne coatings and inks. And in this video, we will see how G565 Defoamer is used. First of all, you need to understand the application scenarios. According to the specific application scenarios, such as coatings, inks, etc., select the appropriate defoamer as needed. Considering the chemical properties, choose the defoamer that is compatible with the chemical system to be treated to ensure its effectiveness and stability. Evaluate activity and stability. The activity of defoamer is usually measured by the time to break the foam and the time to inhibit the foam. Choose the defoamer with high activity and good stability. Focus on toxicity. Ensure that the antifoam agent selected is non-toxic or low toxic and is not harmful to the environment or human body. Secondly, it is necessary to control the dosage according to the following two considerations. Adequate addition. According to the specific process requirements and the actual situation, add the appropriate amount of defoamer. Insufficient dosage will lead to the foam cannot be completely eliminated, affecting product quality, while the dosage is too much may lead to defoamer residue, affecting the subsequent processing and performance of the product. Gradual adjustment. In the process of use, the amount of defoamer can be adjusted gradually according to the actual effect in order to achieve the best defoaming effect. After that, you need to pay attention to the timing and mode of addition. The general situation is that the defoamer is added directly to the material to be defoamed. This method is easy to operate, the effect is better. When using defoamer, the processing conditions of the system and environmental factors should be considered, such as temperature, pressure, stirring speed, etc. These factors will have an impact on the effect of the defoamer and need to be adjusted and optimized according to the actual situation. For example, for systems with high foaming temperatures, it is recommended that the defoamer be added to the system before 60 degrees Celsius to maximize its effectiveness. Finally, pay attention to safety and environmental protection. When using defoamer, attention should be paid to personal protection and environmental protection. Operators should wear appropriate protective equipment to avoid direct contact or inhalation of defoamer. At the same time, attention should be paid to the discharge and disposal of defoamer to avoid pollution of the environment. Choose Hermcol G565 Defoamer for superior foam control and impeccable results in your production process. Contact us today to learn more about how Hermcol G565 Defoamer can elevate your water-based coatings and inks. Hermcol G565 Defoamer, the ultimate solution for foam-free perfection.